The warning "power system service urgent" in a Volvo car means that either the system registers a weak battery with drop in voltage, or there is an unexpected power draw in the electrical circuit. There are several things you may check on your own before asking for professional help and paying money. First of all, it makes sense to look at the battery and check if both clamps, both terminals are tight. Twist them with your hand, and if you can easily move them, they are not tight enough. Also check the battery ground. You may track it with the negative battery wire. It's a connection with one of the metal body parts. It should be clean and tight. The next thing is to check if the battery is still good. The best way to do it is to get a load tester. You may actually go to any big car parts store and borrow a battery tester from them for a couple of minutes. Most of them will not even charge you for that. If the battery is running low, you may charge it with an external charger or just replace it, especially if it's older than 5 years. The next thing is to remember if you've recently added anything in the electrical system of your vehicle, like the subwoofer or some custom headlamps of different power rating, or a constantly plugged-in traffic recorder, aftermarket alarm, etc. Volvo cars have sensors in their battery management system that measure power draw. If they notice unexpectedly high draw, they will set a code and you will see the power system service urgent warning. If you couldn't locate the issue, there is most likely a problem with the charging system in your car. This may be a fading voltage regulator or a broken alternator. In such cases, the vehicle will need professional inspection and repairs.